Hi friends, today we are going to prepare quick and tasty Aloo Ki Sabji, also known as Aloo Curry. First we will take a non-stick pan, then we will add 50 milliliters of cooking oil in it. When oil is hot, add whole spices in it. Saute the whole spices for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Stir it constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 large onions, chopped. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Saute until onions turn golden brown. Then add 1 teaspoon salt as per taste. It will help in browning the onions faster. Add 1 teaspoon garlic, crushed. Add 200 grams potato cubes. Cook the potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes. Now we will add powder spices. First, add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 2 teaspoon coriander powder in it. Stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3 large tomatoes, chopped. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low flame. Cook until ghee or oil separates from the sides. Then add 2 large red peppers or 2 large green peppers, also known as Shimla mirch. Stir it. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons salt as per taste. This is the additional salt we are adding to adjust the seasoning. Add 2 teaspoons Garam Masala powder in it. Stir it. One teaspoon lemon juice. Keep stirring it for 1 to 2 minutes so that the lemon juice is incorporated in the masala. Afterwards, add 1 cup cream. Cook it for 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup water. Cook it for additional 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until vegetables are soft. Then add 1 teaspoon ghee or butter. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until vegetables are soft. This can be checked using a spoon as shown in the video. Garnish with 1/4 bunch of cilantro leaves. So friends, tasty aloo ki sabji or aloo curry is ready. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for interesting videos. Thank you.